Welcome back to the Urban Farmyard, where the city girl goes country. In today's video, we are opening the October 2020 Scentsy Whiff Box. Let's go take a look. Hi guys, well, with a lot of animals in this house, one of the things that I am always conscious of is the smell of animals throughout the house. One of the solutions I've found is a company called Scentsy, who provide a range of amazing smelling products that fragrance your entire home. One of the things that they have each month is their version of a mystery box. It's called the Scentsy Whiff Box, and for $55 it gives you a range of surprise products for you to try out in your home. And I've got the October Whiff Box here with me today. It is big. So today we're going to open it up, we're going to have a look at what's inside, and we're going to figure out whether $55 represents good value for what's inside. So let's go take a look. So opening up the box, whoops, we have a mailer here, which I'm sure is going to sell me more things for the house, and we have this wonderful selection of products. It smells gorgeous. So let's see what we actually have in here. The first full-size product we have is a Squeeze the Day scent circle. This is a fragranced cardboard circle which you can pop into a drawer, hang in your wardrobe, or pop in your car, and the retail value on this is $5.50. What does it smell like? Let's have a look. Oh, it's very lemony. Yum, I believe that this is lemon with a touch of vanilla. It's delicious. Lovely sweet lemons. That is one that I will probably put in the car because the car is constantly used to transport all kinds of animals, whether it be cats, dogs, kittens, or goats. It could definitely do with some fragrance. The next product we have is Windowsill Breeze Wax Melts. Now these wax melts are amazing. They go into a wax warmer and they basically give you the same effect as a candle burning, but without the risk of someone knocking over a candle or singeing their tail. Now this one smells of clean laundry. It actually smells of washing powder. So if you love that smell of washing powder, this is worth a look. So the retail value on this is 11 New Zealand dollars. The next one we have is another wax bar, and this one is the scent of the month. So one of the things that you get each month in these Scentsy boxes is a full-sized bar of whichever product is their scent of the month, and this month is You, Me and the Sea, which I've already tried and I really love it. It is a really lovely strong smelling fragrance. Oh, it's lovely. It's this lovely oceanic kind of fragrance. If you think of sort of the marine fragrances that you get in cleaning products, it's kind of like that, but it's also got a slightly earthy undertone, which makes it a lovely fragrance rather than smelling like toilet cleaner, which is not ideal. So the retail value on this one is slightly less than the previous bar. It is discounted because it's the scent of the month, so the retail value on this is currently $9.90, but at the end of the month that will go back up to $11. But for the purposes of figuring out the total value of this box, let's call it $9.90. The next thing we have is a tub of washer whiffs, and this particular tub is Black Raspberry Vanilla. Now washer whiffs are a great product which you pop in with your washing, and they don't clean, they don't soften, all they do is they fragrance your washing. That's really important for me here because we have dog bedding and cat bedding and just a lot of things that smell of animals, so anything which helps to remove that aroma and give it something a little bit more pleasant is really worthwhile. Let's see what they smell like. Oh, okay, so they are super fragrant, so sticking your nose in the tub's probably not the best idea. It smells of berries. It's really lovely. So the retail value on that particular tub is $22. It is the smaller tub, which is 454 grams. So that is going to come in really handy. We also have another fragrance product for laundry, and that is dryer discs, and these have come in pink cotton. Now these dryer discs are similar to the washer whiffs. All they do is they fragrance your washing, but this time they do it via the dryer. So you pop one of these in, take it out of its packaging, and you just pop this disc into your dryer. It rolls around with all your clothes and it leaves the scent of pink cotton behind. The retail value on these is $13. Now what we also have in here are 2 sample sized products, so I've estimated the value of those based on the size of each sample. The first one we have is a washer whiffs sample, so this is the same product as we have in the tub here, just in a different fragrance, and this particular fragrance is Shimmer. Now based on weight, this is basically 10% of the size of this small tub, so I would put a retail value of $2.20 on this sample. The other thing you receive each month in these boxes is a sample of the coming month's scent of the month. So next month, or November's scent of the month, is Jeweled Pomegranate, and they give you one of these gorgeous little pucks full of that wax, and I would say there's probably 3 cubes of wax, or the equivalent of 3 cubes of wax in this sample. Let's see what it smells like. We're a bit difficult to get into. Oh, it smells very berry-like as well. Lovely rich berries. So based on this being roughly 3 cubes, I would say the retail value on this is roughly $4.10 New Zealand. If you total up all of these products, including the estimated retail price of the samples, the total is $67.70. Now I think that represents pretty good value considering the purchase price of $55, but you can save even more by ordering the Whiff Box through Scentsy Club. That's a subscription service where you automatically have the box delivered to you either every month, every 3 months, or every 6 months. And when you do it that way, you save an extra 10%, which brings the purchase price down from $55 to $49.50. That's New Zealand dollars. So based on $49.50 versus a total value of $67.70, it's well worth doing. I am hoping that my house is going to smell absolutely delicious and a little bit less like cats. I hope today's been interesting, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.